Student, yesterday we will see the northwest corner method for find out the initial basic feasible solution of transportation model. Then we will see the one of example of northwest corner method to north in west direction. First we will apply to for see the example of northwest corner method for demand and supply, which is minimum. We have applied to resources 70 and 40. Here 40 is minimum, so then we will 40 apply to supply and 40 minus 40 0. Then first row is eliminated. Then second we will apply for the northwest corner method. Supply is 60 and demand is 30, which is minimum. Demand is 30. We will apply, and first column, that is 0 is column is eliminated. Then we will see the third step 4328 demand and supply, which is minimum 30, supply is minimum 30, apply to 4 resources. Then first row is eliminated. Then demand is 10 and 60 and supply is 70. Then 10 apply to 2 resources and 60 apply to 8 resources. That is finally demand and supply is 0. Our here example is totally complete. Then finally we will find out the total cost of transportation model for northwest corner method. So for multiplying with addition each resources which we have applied demand and supply. First 4 into 40 plus 3 into 30 plus 4 into 30 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 60. Total overall cost our is 870 rupees. Here we have solved first example of northwest corner method, and this solution which is we have say initial basic feasible solution, short form of IBFS, that is. Second we have solved least cost method. Least cost method, it is also find out to IBFS, means initial basic feasible solution. First we have see the balance the problem. If not, then add dummy column and dummy row, and also may equal to problem, that is balance to problem. If dummy row and dummy column we have apply, then resources value is 0 0 0. Second step, identify the lowest cost cell in the given maximum allowance minimum of either demand or supply in the cell. If there is a same value of cost allow to any cell as per your allocating demand and supply, then eliminated that resources in further prediction. That means for example 3x3 matrix, which is minimum value resources we have applied demand and supply all over matrix. Then step 3, further balance the problem and new search of low cost value and apply demand and supply, same procedure. And step 4, once all the allocation are completed, then finally demand and supply is equally, that means 0, and calculate the total cost of transportation. Same example we have solved least cost method. First market, that is our destination point DEF, then paper unit resources A, B and C. So our 3x3 matrix resources value is 451 343 628. Supply is 40 60 and 17, and demand is 70 40 and 60. First step we have see the demand and supply is equal, that is summation of demand and supply is equal 60 40 70 170 70 40 60 170, that is demand and supply is equal. There is no add dummy row and dummy column. Second step is lowest cost of value. Lowest cost, our matrix is 3x3, so then we lowest cost of value કહીએ આપણે first F. So first lowest cost of value, their demand is 60 and supply is 40. That means minimum value is applied first, 40 is applied first, then supply is 0 and demand is 20. That means first row is eliminated 0. Then second step same 3 4 3 6 2 8 minimum value is 2. We have applied demand and supply minimum. Here demand is 40 and supply is 70. Which is minimum? 40 applied to 2. That means second column is eliminated and supply is 70 minus 40 is equal to 30. Third, 3, 3, 6, 8. Here we have lowest value is 3 but 2. There are two common value of 3. Which is minimum? We have applied demand and supply 20. We have applied 20 demand and supply. That means third column is eliminated and supply is 40. Then 40 apply to first 3 and 30 apply to 6. And 40 and 30 demand is 70 equally. Finally demand and supply is 0. Final all allocation of the cell. Put down our main question. Resources: first 40, second 340, third 320, fourth 240 and fifth 630. And these resources which we have applied demand and supply, finally calculate the same procedure, multiplication with addition. That is our all transportation cost. 3 into 40 plus 1 into 40 plus 3 into 20 plus 2 into 40 plus 6 into 30 is equal to our total cost is 480 rupees. Total transportation cost is 480 rupees. That means northwest corner method and least cost method, which is minimum transportation cost, northwest corner method. Same example we have solved. First example so northwest corner method and total transportation cost is 870 rupees. And second we have solved least cost transportation method, least cost method and total transportation cost is 480 rupees. That means northwest corner to least cost method is both are transportation method, but minimum transportation cost is which method? Least cost method. That means least cost method is better than northwest corner method. We have solved directly question GTU to IBFS find out in our question book. So then we have solved only northwest corner. If any doubt, please comment in comment section. Thank you. Tomorrow we will also solve Vogel's approximation method. That means WAM method.